In a world of grand romantic gestures, something beautiful is happening, Micro-Mance. Tiny acts, playlists, inside jokes, memes, these aren't throwaway moments, they're the heartbeat of modern love. Welcome to CozyBond, where romance is everyday magic. What is Micro-Mance exactly? According to Bumble's Global Dating Trends 2025, 86% of singles agree that affection now comes through everyday things. Sharing a meme, sending a playlist, or even a thoughtful text. It's not about extravagant dates. It's about small, meaningful touches that make someone feel seen, valued, and understood. Why are these micro-gestures so potent? Because 1. Consistency builds trust. Little actions done often matter more than one big moment. 2. It's sustainable. Not everyone can afford a surprise holiday, but a playlist, totally doable. 3. It shows attentiveness. Sharing a meme or inside joke says, "I'm thinking of you, not just someone." 4. It adapts to busy lives. In a world of tight schedules, micro-love fits in small corners. Here are Micro-Mance ideas you can start today. Curated playlist. Make a shared playlist for your partner, songs that remind you of them, or songs for different moods. Memory text. Send a message like, "Remember when we," a moment that made you smile. Inside knowledge gifts. Share something small that only the two of you get. A quote, a line, a throwback. Micro check-ins. A 10-second, just thinking of you, text midday can mean more than a grand declaration. Digital rituals. A meme or GIF every morning, evening, or just when something reminds you of them. But Micro-Mance isn't magic for everyone. Some resist because they don't think small gestures are real romance. They worry it feels too casual. They forget life gets busy, and they don't prioritize the little things. The truth, it's not about perfection, it's about presence, and presence speaks louder than extravagance. Micro-Mance is more than cute. It's the foundation of lasting connection. If you like this, like and subscribe to CozyBond. And tell me, what small gesture made you feel most loved recently?